OBD2 Scanner helps diagnose vehicle issues quickly, improving maintenance, safety, and repair efficiency. Today's video is about top 5 best OBD2 scanner that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Xiauodo OBD2 Scanner. This OBD2 scanner is a powerful and practical diagnostic tool designed for both beginners and professionals. It offers comprehensive vehicle diagnostics with access to over 30,000 fault codes, making it easy to read and clear engine error codes accurately. Real-time data streaming, graphical analysis, freeze-frame data, and I/M readiness checks help users understand vehicle performance in detail. One of its standout upgrades is the real-time voltage monitoring feature, which allows users to track the vehicle's electrical system and detect potential issues early. The enhanced chip improves processing speed and stability, ensuring smoother and faster diagnostics. A clear color screen and intuitive button layout make it easy to use, even for those with little mechanical experience. Built with durable materials and a compact design, it is both sturdy and portable. Wide compatibility with most 1996 plus US, EU, and Asian vehicles adds to its versatility, along with multi-language support for global users. Overall, it's a reliable and user-friendly tool for efficient car maintenance and troubleshooting. Now our second product is LeeKooLuu OBD2 Scanner. This OBD2 scanner is a simple yet highly effective tool for quick and reliable vehicle diagnostics. Its plug-and-play design allows you to connect it directly to your car's OBD2 port and start reading data instantly, with no technical experience required. This makes it ideal for both DIY users and professional mechanics who need fast engine checks. It provides comprehensive diagnostic functions, including reading and clearing engine fault codes, viewing live data, and analyzing freeze-frame information. These features help you quickly understand your vehicle's condition and avoid unnecessary trips to the mechanic. By detecting issues early, it supports better engine maintenance and helps prevent costly repairs, ensuring smoother and more reliable performance over time. It is especially useful for turning off check engine lights and troubleshooting problems efficiently. Advanced features such as VIN retrieval, I/M readiness, coolant temperature, and vehicle speed monitoring add even more value. Overall, this scanner delivers professional-level diagnostics in a compact, easy-to-use device for everyday vehicle maintenance. Our third product is Umeija OBD2 Scanner. This OBD2 code reader is a versatile and practical diagnostic tool designed for both home users and professional mechanics. It works as a micro-mechanic, allowing you to quickly read and clear engine fault codes, view live data with graphical display, check freeze-frame information, and monitor I/M readiness status. It also helps you understand vehicle health in detail before visiting a repair shop, making troubleshooting more efficient. With wide compatibility across most 1996 plus US, EU, and Asian OBD2 vehicles, it supports multiple protocols and languages, making it suitable for global use. The compact yet rugged design includes a durable 2.5-foot cable and a strong build that can withstand workshop conditions, while remaining easy to carry and store. An upgraded processor ensures fast and accurate diagnostics, with simple plug-and-play operation and intuitive button controls. Additional features like battery voltage testing, O2 sensor checks, and EVAP system diagnostics add extra value for preventive maintenance. Overall, it's a reliable, cost-effective, and user-friendly scanner ideal for DIY users and professionals alike. Now number 4, Xtool OBD2 Scanner. The Xtool D8W wireless car diagnostic scanner is a professional-grade tool designed to deliver dealership-level diagnostics at a much more accessible cost. Built with powerful 64GB hardware and high-speed Wi-Fi connectivity, it provides faster, more stable communication than traditional Bluetooth scanners, with a working range of up to 33 to 66 feet. It supports advanced functions such as full system diagnostics, topology mapping, ECU coding, PMI functions, and over 4,000 active tests, making it highly suitable for workshops and serious automotive users. The AI-assisted analysis helps interpret fault codes and generate diagnostic reports quickly, improving repair efficiency and accuracy. With 42+ maintenance services including oil reset, IPB, ASIS, ABS bleed, injector coating, and more, it covers a wide range of repair needs across 10,000+ vehicles. Compatibility is extensive, supporting FCA AutoAuth, CAN-FD, and DoIP protocols, along with over 88 brands and 140+ models. Additional features like pre/post scan reports and expandability through optional adapters make it a highly flexible and future-ready diagnostic solution for professionals. And our last choice is Atdiag OBD2 Scanner. This V321 OBD2 scanner is a reliable and user-friendly diagnostic tool designed for both beginners and experienced users. It helps quickly identify why the check engine light is on by reading and clearing trouble codes, checking I/M readiness, and viewing real-time engine data such as RPM, coolant temperature, and fuel pressure. With support for EVAP testing, battery health checks, and freeze frame data, it provides a complete overview of vehicle performance. A standout feature is its built-in database of over 35,901 fault codes, offering deeper diagnostic insight than many basic scanners. It also supports wide vehicle compatibility, working with most cars from 1996 onward across US, EU, and Asian models, along with multi-language support for global users. The device is designed for convenience with shortcut keys, tricolor status indicators, and cloud-based report sharing via QR code. Its rugged build, heat resistance, and protective silicone case ensure durability in tough working environments. Overall, it's a practical, durable, and easy-to-use scanner ideal for everyday vehicle maintenance and diagnostics. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.